Hello Blooming fam, this is Shernette back with another video. So today we're going to learn to hem jeans using the original hem, okay? A quick tip for you guys, for anyone beginning sewing, don't give up. It is hard, but once you learn the steps, it becomes easy and you start remixing and making your own style. So just keep going, learn your craft and do it, okay? So yeah, we're gonna get right into the video. Okay, so these are the jeans that I'm going to use, right? Now we're gonna do one. To hem up, I just want you guys to figure out your desired length. So you guys can, the best way to do this is to try it on with the shoes that you usually wear with your jeans, or shoes that, you know, require certain types of jeans. You know, certain jeans don't go with everything. So, yeah, you try that on and then you figure out how far you want your jeans to be hemmed. For me, I'm going to go up about this much. That much. I'm going to straighten it out and I'm going to grab my iron. I'm going to straighten it out and I'm going to grab my iron so that I can flatten this out for you guys. Well, on one side, you know, after a couple steps. So yes, I want my desired length here. So I'm going to measure this. So make sure we get that in the camera and get this out of the camera. So I'm going to measure this. I'm going to measure starting from here. Not up here, but here at the inside, okay? And yes, so 3. I'm going to, so this is 3 inches, okay? I'm going to do half of this. I'm going to make this into a half. So I'm going to go down, pull this down. And let's try to get half of 3, so 1.5. Look, I'm asking like it's a question. Make sure it's even all around. So let's try for 1.5 inches. No. Okay. So let's try this. So yes, this is 1.5 inches, okay? So I've gotten it to this. So just a quick review. We made it to the, I rolled it up to the desired length that I wanted, and then I made that length into half. So it was 3 inches at first, and then now it's 1.5. I'm gonna grab my iron so that I can flatten this out because I don't have pins. Usually pins would be the greatest option for this. You'll pin them in here and make sure you mark your spot, but I'm gonna use an iron and we're just gonna do this way. Okay, so now that I have my iron piece, right, nice and flat, same all around, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start sewing now. I'm going to sew right under here, okay, right along this line, not going above, not going too far down, okay? Okay, so if you have the same type of sewing machine that I have the Brother X. There it is, XM2701. If you have the same one I have, then you're gonna have to maneuver your jeans onto your sewing machine to get the stitch right because the foot, you know, foot purposes and just so you don't catch everything all at once. So make sure that it's laying flat, okay? See how I have that? And that's why it's good to have the pin so you can keep it steady, okay? So I'm gonna start sewing.
Too, so that makes us all sisters.
Okay. And this is what I mean by maneuver. You have to keep going around with it. Sorry.
Vivian, don't take her seriously.
Okay.
Good morning, Tony.
Keep going around. If there is an easier way to do this, please comment below. That will help me out a lot. Okay. Got that out. Ready?
There will be no snacks. Oh, who are we going after? No, but you are. I don't get it. I'm going to my room. You will find that your indoor access has been denied. There's a padlock on your door until further notice. Hey, you did him like that? Oh, you too, Miss Thing. Right? Come on, man.
Okay, so I had to stop because I thought my needle broke, but it didn't. There is a such thing as denim needle, so if you're scared that your needle may not support what's going on or whatever the case may be, then go and purchase a denim needle. So let's finish this out for you guys. Lower the needle.
Well, I said Vivian took me to a mud bath, not mud wrestling.
By the way, guys, I'm super scared because I have a cat. I'm babysitting the cat, and I'm just scared that she's going to come and play with the foot. I don't know how she's going to react. She's sitting right over there. You want to see her?
Yeah, well,
Right over there.
Tony and I were trying to
I do not want to come play with this foot right here. So that's why I keep stopping. But so yeah. Keep maneuvering.
I ain't in heaven yet, but I am in this backyard. Space world, we are broadcasting live from the Schoolworks Factory. They live like
Don't forget to fill the end. Okay. Done with that. Let's pull. Oh, lift the needle up. Thought it was a big fabric. See that? We're gonna use our little cutter up here on the side. There we go.
nah, we cool. We don't need your love knowing. Yeah, we don't like it anyway.
Got
Big fella likes to play games, huh? We can play it.
So this is the finished product. I definitely wish that I could have gotten it a little bit closer than I did. You see how crooked that is? And that's why the pins are really important, because of all the moving I had to do. It keeps it in place, okay? So let's see how this looks when I fold it out. Do that for you. Okay. These jeans are really tough. These are a pair of my old jeans. That's why I chose this pair. Okay, see how this turned out? And this is why it's important to make sure you get exactly on the line. Exactly on the line. Because it's like a double line now. Okay. Or maybe if I iron it, it won't look so bad. But yes. I'm definitely going to do this again. And like I said, for beginners, it's definitely okay if you messed up like I did. This is my first time trying them. But just so you know, when you're sewing it, make sure it's right underneath here so that it can look neater than this, okay? So I guess this may turn into a what not to do video. Thank you guys for watching. Let me show you guys. Okay, so yeah, like I said, this may turn into a what not to do video, but I just want to thank you guys for watching. We're gonna try this thing again. My Instagram is at Netta's Blooming Space. If you guys want to contact me there, and yeah, comment, like, and subscribe, and see you guys soon.